Hello, I'm LouisH and I teach you how to make some money. In today's video, I'm gonna go over my biggest loss in my trading history. Once upon a time, I invested in a stock called Nikola, in a company called Nikola, and unfortunately, I caught a falling knife. Yes. Horribly, it was an incredible mistake. I lost over $800,000 in one trade. You can imagine how much money I invested into that single company that caused me to lose over $800,000. It was the worst day of my life. Honestly, I remember I panicked. For a moment there, I got like depressed and I decided to sell the stock. Unfortunately, I sold, so I realized that loss of over $800,000. Even remembering brings me a bad feeling. Imagine what kind of house I could have bought with that money, or how many really nice Lamborghinis I could have bought with $800,000. It's a ton of money, but whatever. It happened. It was a learning experience, and my key takeaway are patience is a virtue in the stock market. Being patient, being willing to hold off, let bad news pass. When you believe in a company, when the company has, capital, they're not going to go bankrupt anytime soon. When there's potential for the company to rebound, the best thing, depending on the size of your investment and depending on your risk tolerance, again, this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing what happened with me, my experience. I should have waited. I should have relaxed. I should have just let the money stay there and waited. I remember some time went by and the stock came right back up to where I had bought, but I had sold it. So I had realized that loss. It was a yucky experience. Now I'm patient. Sometimes when I'm day trading, for those of you that don't know the way I day trade, I only buy companies that I believe in. I do a lot of research. I'm always studying. I'm always reading about different companies and all sizes. I'm not just, I'm gonna pick the least expensive stock out there. No, I don't do that. I invest in the company regardless of the share price. I really look into the financials. Why? Because that's how I manage my risk. Now, I had done my research with Nikola and I was expecting for great news to come out, and a lot of bad news came out. So the stock had already skyrocketed before and it was on a downtrend, and that just caused the stock to boom, pretty much crash. It crashed. It went down so much. I think in one day it came down about 30% in one day, and then the consecutive days it came down even more. So that was the time I lost a ton of money. Be patient. Have a strategy, and if you can't get out of a trade in a single session, then possibly it's okay for you to wait. Let me know in the comments below. I love reading your comments. Let me know what's the biggest loss you've ever experienced, and what did it make you feel? What have you learned from it? Also, help me by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. YouTube's smart algorithm will recognize this video as important and begin to share it on the platform. So thank you so much for liking it. I really appreciate it, and welcome if you're part of the family. If you're a subscriber, I'm gonna upload content like this on a regular basis. I'm gonna be always uploading this type of content for you to have, because I just wanna share my journey. I teach you how to make money within real estate and in the stock market. I have a quick announcement. My real estate course is up, where I go into full detail on what I do to make money in real estate when it comes to buying and flipping property, buying, fixing, holding property, my wholesaling strategy, what I do to make money. I teach you how to make money in real estate without putting your own money into the game. And I teach you a ton of things. I show you how to get access to cash, how to market so that you can get buyers, find sellers quickly. It's really good stuff. Check out that course. It's available in English and in Spanish. And again, thank you for being a part of this community. I just started to upload these type of videos last week, and I've seen the subscribers go up, and I love it. It excites me, and I'm going to continue to bring these type of videos. So thanks again. I'll see you in the next video.